If Bob's wearing the GoPro.
Yeah.
He looks so stupid. I'm sorry.
Ready!
It looks hilarious. So what's our goal? I don't even know what our goal is. Kill Josh.
Game on!
Our goal is to catch them all. Where are they?
Shoot your gun up in the air.
They're not gonna hear it.
Fuck.
They're just kind of walking.
Dude, I'm dipping to that dumpster.
Let's go!
What if you just hear Josh? Ah!
I don't get how Joey's gun has like a 370 plus FPS, but mine has 400.
I just realized this is an
Got
open.
a heavy
Alright,
spray.
are they going? What are they doing?
I don't know what they're doing.
Guy getting on top of the train.
Let's just go.
Someone's behind the dumpster.
Already?
Aaron, this would be a great place for your sniper.
Dude, what is he doing?
He's escaping, get him!
Still have to get the Jewish artifact from the helicopter.
It's game on!
Damn, Susie. How far you think you're tired out? I should buy a rangefinder.
A what?
A rangefinder. See how far someone is away from you?
It's game on!
There we go.
You're not gonna be doing shit with that shotgun.
Hey, watch out, left side right there.
Look at Josh. They're coming around.
Josh, his gun only shoots like 20 feet, so we're good.
They're reaching me.
They're almost reaching. Dude, we're gonna race Josh when we catch him. Come on, Fub, get him.
Mag speed like shit.
You just want me to rush Josh?
What, Aaron? You keep blind it and BBs aren't coming?
No, yeah, they speed like shit.
There's Josh.
Alright, Fub, you rush him, and I'll cover you.
Sure?
Look at
Somewhat.
you not wearing your mask.
Bob, you run
I can see better with this shit. Ugh.
Goggles on.
My dick. Alright. Ready? This is rebel out here.
All right.
We're gonna charge, man! Let's do it! Go!
Your pants are like on the ground.
It was technical difficulty.
Alright.
Watch out, Aaron. Oh shit.
Things are getting pretty close.
Hey, there's 3 behind the train. You want me? Fuck. You want me to rush them with a CO2 pistol?
Huh?
3 behind the train.
You're not gonna reach with that pistol.
No, rush.
Rush him?
Yeah.
I don't know.
1 on the back side, 1 in the middle, and 1 up front.
Let's see.
Josh is in the back. Dude, there's Josh.
What was that? Something just hit my helmet, I think.
Ew, is that a pile of shit
Where?
in that bucket? Look down, right there. Under the train. You got
Fuck. Dude, I lost a mag.
We got them Sudani forces down. Hey, baby. And the rebels win. Woo! Ew, poop. Alright. Is that, I swear, is that crab?
I think it's feces.
Pile of shit.